Check me out one time, man. Check me out. And I know we all love these, most of us, but what does that say? Right? Do not microwave. And I did just that. I put them right in the microwave. And it specifically tells you, do not microwave. You know we ignorant, we hard headed. We don't listen to shit. We don't listen to shit. Do not microwave your noodles, man. All this time, all my years of living, I never really peeked at or paid attention to it. This is the only way I've been making them my whole life. I ain't taking these out, putting them on the stove top, nigga. They taste different.